Hi, this is David with WeSpeak Machine. We're here in China at the CNTECH factory to introduce you with our basic ATC machine. This machine comes in a 4x8 configuration, also in a 5x10. It's an ATC machine with up to 8 tools for automatic change. Has a 9 kilowatt spindle, and each axis is powered by a 1500 watt servo. The machine comes with different areas for the vacuum. They can be controlled here from the switches on the control panel, each individual. And it also comes with a system to align the material to keep the repetition of the jobs always aligned to the same position. Also comes with all the standards: automatic lubrication, connection for vacuum pumps, depending on which vacuum you're requiring for the kind of job you're making. So give us a phone call, send us an email, and we can give you some more information.